So I'm an intricate braider in Winter Park and haven't used any extensions so far. This is my first time working with any extension company, so I'm really excited to get into that. A lot of knowledge, a lot of hands-on. You're able to ask questions openly and get a lot of feedback that you can use for teaching and stuff like that. The eye tips, I think they're really cool. They look really easy to kind of use and place, and definitely the wefting looks really interesting. It can make me successful because I think it's a coming brand. I think they have a lot that they stand for. Quality hair speaks volumes, well represented in the industry. I'm excited to see where this goes. I use a lot of wigs. I do stuff like that. I play with a lot of hair. People follow me for that. People like to see what I create, and I know I can create some beautiful stuff with extensions. I think they'll follow me and want to know where that's from, how I'm doing that with what product. It was honestly exciting to just meet everybody, other influencers. It was exciting to learn different techniques that I've never learned before. I thought it was really cool to put myself in a position where I was uncomfortable, so then I was able to learn and grow from that.